Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karashyami Siddhir me sada Saṃskṛtam dayanandam Paramartha-swarupinam Tattva-jnana-prashastaram Pranatosmi param padam Vagartha-viva sampraktau Vagartha-pratipattaye Jagatah-pitarau vande Parvati Parameshwarau Yenakshara-samamnayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We have completed Pullinga, Shatranta, Pratipadikam. Right?
Yes, we started with Sri Lanka last time.
Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Just Pullinga, you see what we have done. Pullinga, the 10 gana. See, depending on the dhatu, the gana. The num will come. In fact, it is not the gana, it is because of the sanya abhyasta. I'll just write a small note. This is what you see in the Pullinga example. Already we have done this. This page is in the Shatrashavish document. First gana, example, pat dhatu becomes patan, patanto, patantaha. Second dhatu, example, as dhatu, important dhatu, asti santi comes from this dhatu. And from that only we get a sat also, san santo, santaha. Fourth gana, divyat. I'm taking the first one dhatu from each gana, or the first dhatu of the gana itself I'm taking. Here it is not the first dhatu. Div dhatu, first gana of the fourth conjugation. Divyan, divyanto, divyantaha. Similarly, shaknuvan, shaknuvan, shaknuvanto, shaknuvan, fifth gana. Right? And many examples we saw fifth gana. Then tudu dhatu, sixth gana. Tudan, tudanto, tudantaha. Rundan, rundanto, rundantaha. Seventh gana. Eighth gana. Important dhatu, kru dhatu, kurvan, kurvanto. And ninth gana, krinath. Kri dhatu, krinan, krinanto, krinantaha. And 10th gana, chor dhatu, chore. Now here we have set. So it means we have covered 1, 2, not 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Third gana not covered, right? Yatranta Pullinga Padipadikam derived from the dhatus or the Jugotyadikana. That is third conjugation. Jugotyadikana is which conjugation? Third conjugation. The first dhatu is udhatu. That is not covered before. So now yes, we say dhatus or the third conjugation, third group. Conjugation meaning group. And the seven dhatus of the second gana, the gana. This is second gana. This is important. It's two. Will not take numahama when Sravanamastana pratyaya. Why it will not take? Because they they have the sanya, the anga will enjoy the sanya abhyastha. Then what is abhyastha? We must know. So this is one note I will write here so that you can follow that chart. For the sake of that purpose, I'm just writing a note. When the anga is abhyastha, then num will not come. Please note. When the anga, what do you mean by anga? What do you mean by anga?
Pratipadi.
No.
Pratipadikam or Pratipadikum plus
The addition of
Anavikarana.
Anga is anything which precedes a pratyaya. So it can be a pratipadikam, it can be a dhatu, or it can be a dhatu plus ganadikana pratyaya also. See, anga is a term which we use generally with regard to the pratyaya. See, for example, if you take this pat dhatu, pat plus tip. Now, here, which is the anga?
with respect to the Patra is the anga.
There is Shap.
And then
Patra is
Shab
the
will come. So
Then when tip pratyaya, shap, sarvadatka pratyaya follows. Ganavikana shap will come. Now, if I ask you which is anga, then what would be the answer?
Patha is the anga for Tip.
Pata.
Pat is the anga for shap, and
Shap
pat
and-
plus shap is the anga for tip.
Tip.
Understand? So it changes. It means what precedes a pratyaya. That's called anga. Therefore, it could be a dhatu or it could be a pratipadika, whatever it is. So anga, you have to say anga as that which precedes a pratyaya. Okay. That's called anga. Now, note, when the anga enjoys sanya abhyasta, when the anga enjoys abhyasta sanya, sanya is a name. Okay. Then num will not come. Then num will not come. This is a rule. Okay. When the anga enjoys sanya abhyasta, then the anga enjoys abhyasta sanya, then num will not come. Num will come one when Saranavasthana pratyaya follows already, we said, right? So therefore, num will not come. Means even Saranavasthana pratyaya follows the abhyasta anga, num will not come. Understand? Yes.
Yes.
Now, okay. Then why doesn't come for Jugotyadikana? Because Jugotyadikana enjoys abhyasta sanya. Let us see that. For the third conjugation, an example I'll give. Similarly, for the seven dhatus of the second conjugation, one example I'll give. And that you can follow why this num is doesn't come. So let us take the example for third conjugation, which is Jugotyadikana. Jugotyadi, for Jugotyadi. It is for Jugotyadi. I'll take the first, I'll take Da Dhatu. Any Dhatu you can take. In fact, it's not only this. But any Dhatu we can take. Let us take the Vat Dhatu, simple one. I'm doing a lit, just an example I'm taking. This is null is a pratyaya. Null is a lit pratyaya. You know what is lit? Lit lakara?
Lit lakar.
Remote past.
Remote past tense.
It means parokshaha. You have heard, but you have not seen. Rama killed Ravana. Did you see? It's a story. No, you have, I mean, story means not just a katha. I mean, it happened, itihasa, this is how it happened millions of years before, right? But you are not you are not there to see that. Para akshnaha paroksha, that is called paroksha. Paroksha means the speaker has not seen, that's called paroksha. Parokshe lit, we say. That's why in Ramayana and in the Kavya and all, you will see many times litlakara being used when the story is told. Rama crossed the ocean, killed Ravana. All you will see past tense, no? All past tense. But you will see litlakara, paroksha, paroksha litlakara. I'm just taking a example here. Nal is a pratama purusha ekavachana pratyaya. This is the only example. We are not discussing litlakara. Don't worry about the litlakara now. Remote past. It's called remote past. If it is remote past, you are that time. I mean, it is remote past. Not only with regard to what happened before you were born. Even it would have happened 2-3 years before, but you were not the seer of that action, that whatever that action or that incident. So suppose your cousin went to America, but you did not see. But you can use it. I mean, last year or 6 months before. Still, you can say Saha. You can Jagama. You can say event. Remote. You are not seen the action, but it's, let's say paroksha, but it happened long before. Anyway, that litlakara we use. Just an example I'm taking now. Why this example taking? That's the reason. I'll give one more example also later. Now, when this pratyaya comes, what happens is this is something special to litlakara. Duplication happens. That is what we are interested. We are not interested what is lit and all. Duplication happens. This is first thing happens to the dhatu. Duplication is dhatu is repeated 2 times. When the form is repeated, it's called duplication. Okay. Then here after duplication, the first part of the dhatu, I mean the form here, it's called abhyasa. This enjoys sanya, abhyasa. The anga, with regard to the pratyaya, enjoys sanya, abhyasta. This is called abhyasta. This pat and pat is called abhyasta. This is abhyasta. You understand what abhyasta is? Anga, already I told, that which precedes the pratyaya is anga. Now to start with regard to null, the pratyaya, what is the anga? Now with regard to null, what is the anga? Abhyasta is the anga, right? Abhyasta is the anga. You follow what I'm saying? Yes?
What is the first one called, Guruji?
What is the first one? Here.
First part. You said first part is called something
Anga.
and
Not something. With regard to any pratyaya, this is called anga. Here
No,
to
not
start
that
with.
Is it abhyasa?
Oh, okay. This is abhyasa.
Yeah.
Oh, abhyasa. We are not interested in that. Abhyasa will undergo change. Finally, you will get the form that abhyasa. It's called abhyasa karya. So in the pat, the first consonant alone will be retained. All other consonants will drop. It's a rule. So the vowel will be there. So pa, that a is a will be there. The first consonant is pakara. The other consonants will drop. Therefore, pa will be there. And papat plus null. Null is a what pratyaya? Nit
Nich
pratyaya. Nit pratyaya. Therefore, it will cause
ikara.
ikara. Not ikara.
Pati.
No, what pati? From there you will get e.
Akara will be dropped and then
Akara the content is akara. Null, dakara is italant, lakara is italant. Content is a only. But what will happen to the anga? What is anga karya? You have seen. You must be able to tell.
Dirgha Pati.
Not part. Where is party? Upada will become dirgha. Therefore, it will become papat.
Rapat.
Papat. Papat plus content of null is therefore papata. Papata means he read. Papata.
Uh-huh.
This is the lit lakara form of pat dhatu. Understand?
Mhm.
What is the meaning of papata? Papata is equal to apatatu only. Same meaning only. But it is remote past. All are lung only, right? Past tense. I mean, not lung. All are past only. Past tense. But only we have remote past, immediate past, yesterday's past. That's the only difference we have. But they're all past. So, therefore, papata. We can say papata. Papata, something which has happened long before. Ramayanam.
Hmm.
Valmiki, Ramayanam, papata, suppose we say. He read, but he wrote. He read Valmiki Ramayanam. We can say papata. So now this is what we are not interested. This what I'm interested in to show. This is the abhyasta. Understand? Is it clear? This is abhyasta.
Guruji, you said that the last consonant will drop. In this, there is one pa and tha. If there are more letters, how many will be retained?
That's
and
not
what will-
required. This is not necessary. No, abhyasa is unnecessary. This is not. We are not interested in that. This part is not interested. This is just abhyasa karya will drop. Just note. This is not our scope. I want you to understand what is abhyasta. Simple.
Hmm.
After duplication, whatever is there, that is yanga with regard to the pratyaya, that is the abhyasa.
Okay.
Other things we are not discussing, they're not required, unnecessary, all those things.
Hmm.
Similarly, da dhatu, if you take, which is already I given the example I given, da plus null. I'm taking lit lakar as an example.
Mhm.
There are some pratyas which will cause this duplication. One is lit lakara, other one is sun. Similarly, young, and there are many. No, of course, a third conjugation. Let us do third conjugation. Why we have to do lit? We do third conjugation itself. Da plus tip. Da is yanga with regard to tip. I'm doing simple lit lakara. This is lit lakara. This example, in fact, it's not required, but anyway, this is lit example. Lit udaharanam. Let us take let udaharanam itself, which we are much familiar. Let example. Why should you say lit example? So let us see. Da plus tip. Then what is the next step? Da is
Da plus tip.
Da plus shap plus tip.
Shap plus.
Shap is the Gana Vikarana, common for all. It will come. Of course, when there is exception, shap will be replaced with corresponding Gana Vikarana. For third conjugation, what is the special thing is shap will come and shap will become lopaha. Not really lopaha, we use some other name, but I don't want to confuse you by saying what's the name. Just know that shap disappears, comes and goes away. Therefore, you will have da plus tip only. The lopa happens because of the lopa, of shap happens. This da gets duplicated. Therefore, you will have da. We started with da as yanga with regard to tip. Now, after Gana Vikarana and Gana Vikarana causing duplication of the da dhatu, by which becomes dada. And as I said, this is abhyasa, ube abhyastam. These two together is called abhyastam with regard to tip pratyaya. This is yanga with regard to pratyaya, right? You can call this as abhyasta anga. You can call abhyasta anga. Anything which precedes a pratyaya is anga, as I already told you. And this now enjoys singha abhyasta. Therefore, abhyasta anga. And as I told, this abhyasa will undergo some changes. We are not interested in that. The long vowel will become short. It's a rule. So da will become da. Then you will have, then the da is there. Da plus t. Dada is the anga. Dada is the anga now. With regard to the pratyaya, abhyasta anga. After doing all those things, you get the dada. Now dadati is a form. Dadati. That's why you get dadati. Understand? So dadati. Now what is the here the abhyasta? This is abhyasta. Now the same thing if we do for shatru. Da plus shatru. Shatru being a sarvadhatuka pratyaya, when a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, Gana Vikarana will come. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And this shat comes for the third Gana. Therefore, the shap comes, the shap becomes lopaha
Lopa.
by duplication happens. Exactly, that much you know. Yes, dada, dada plus shatru. Dada, that this is called abhyasa. Abhyasa will undergo some change. Will become dada, dada plus at. Right? Now dada plus at. Now we have dada plus a will become
Just that is guna letter replaces.
no. Guna letter will replace only if this, which is by a rule. This akara of the abhyasta, when followed by a sarvadhatuka pratyaya, which is not a pit, that is nit, this a will drop. So rule is there. Don't worry about that. This is not a sandhi. This is dadat. You get dadat. Right? Now, this dadat is the pratipadikam. It's a pratipadikam. It's a kradanta pratipadikam, right? So we can always write this dadat as, I will write like this, the dadat as, it is dada plus at plus supratyaya. Supratyaya is the subanta pratyaya. When supratyaya follows, this is a shatru, right? Shatru, I have content I'm writing. This will get numagama. This is what we have seen. When Sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows, Shatru will get numagama. But this will not get numagama because the Shatru follows the abhyasta. That's the condition. It means the Shatru should not follow the abhyasta, then only num will come. That is not the rule. That is not it is said. When the abhyasta, the Shatru following the abhyasta will not get num. That's a rule. Shatru pratyaya following the abhyastanga will not get num. Num will come when? Only when Sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows. When Sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows, Shatru will get num. That's what we have seen, right? The same thing. Here also same thing. When Sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows, Shatru will get num. But this Shatru happens to follow the abhyasta. Therefore, num will not come. That is why third conjugation, there is no num. Understand? So I will write the rule. Now, this abhyasta Shatru following the abhyasta. I'll write like this. Shatru, you know what abhyasta is. That's why I give this example. Shatru following the abhyasta will not get num. Therefore, all the third conjugation, because they undergo this duplication, therefore no num. Therefore, all the third conjugation, all the jugotyadikana dhatus will not get num when followed by sarvanamasthana pratyaya. Listen. Is it clear?
Yes.
This is what I want to say. Okay. Then, what about the second gana, the dhatus, seven dhatus? They naturally enjoy abhyasa sanya. They are given the sanya abhyasta by a special sutra. So, jaksh dhatu, I will write those dhatu. Jaksh and jagr, daridra, the seven dhatus. Chakas, shas, chakas, shas, and the last one, Didi, Vevi, Didi and Vevi. Didi and Vevi. All these dhatus, seven dhatus. These seven dhatus of the second gana, right? The seven dhatus of these second conjugation. Right? These dhatus. The following 7 dhatu second conjugation enjoys abhyasta sanya. Therefore, num will not come. Therefore, they will not get num when sarvanavasthana pratyaya follows. That is why there is no num. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, correct.
The summary is when the anga is abhyasta, then shatra will not get num. Therefore, the format you need to understand. So the format is something like that. See, the pratyaya, sarvanavasthana pratyaya follows, right? Sarvanavasthana pratyaya follows. Follows what? Follows the pratipadika. And how the pratipadikam is? Pratipadikam ending with shatra, right?
Shatra.
And it is derived from, of course, from a dhatu. So here, the dhatu, here the form, if it is anabhyasta, then shatra will get num. Shatra, if the anga is anabhyasta, then shatra will get num when sarvanavasthana pratyaya follows. Right?
Yeah.
If the anga is abhyasta with regard to shatra, then no num. Understand?
Yeah.
This is the point. This is what in the table given. I'm just explaining the table. I'm explaining all these things. That is, when the anga is anabhyasta, when the anga is anabhyasta, then shatra, the num comes only for the shatra pratyaya, right? Sarvanavasthana pratyaya follows, that shatra alone getting num. When anga is abhyasta, shatra gets num.
That's num.
When followed by, of course, sarvanavasthana pratyaya. When the anga is anabhyasta, when the anga is anabhyasta, it will not get num. It is anabhyasta. Shatra will not get num. When the anga is, get num only. I wrote it correctly only. Yeah. Anga
Yeah.
will get num. The shatra will not get num if it is abhyasta. The shatra gets num.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Here it is. When the anga is
Abhyasta, it
abhyasta,
will not get num.
shatra will not get num.
No.
This is the logic behind the chart.
Hmm.
You understand? To understand
Yes.
abhyasta, what anabhyasta, I gave this example of this is for the conjugation, third conjugation, and one litlakara also. It's just an example. For the example, I have to understand what abhyasta is. What is abhyasta? Yes, this is the example. What is abhyasta? Reduplicated is called abhyasta. They say reduplication in English. I don't know why they say reduplication. Just can say duplication.
Duplication.
Reduplicated is called Anton it calls reduplication. I don't know why it's called. Reduplicated is called abhyasta. I'm using the same. That which is reduplicated is called abhyasta. An abhyasta example for third conjugation. For the this is the litlakara example, and this is latlakara example, and this is shatranta example. For abhyasta only. To understand what abhyasta is. Then shatra following the abhyasta will not get num. When num will come, when sarvanavasthana pratyaya. Therefore, shatra following the abhyasta, then shatra will not get num. Therefore, the format looks like this. This is anga, followed by shatra, followed by sarvanavasthana pratyaya. Followed by sarvanavasthana pratyaya, shatra will get num, provided the anga is anabhyasta.
Anabhyasta.
If it is abhyasta, then no num. For the third conjugation, it happens to be abhyasta. And for the seven dhatus of the second conjugation, they enjoy sanya abhyasta. Therefore, no num. This is the reason. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes.
Now you see the chart. That is the reason why we divide abhyasta and abhyasta now.
Yes,
Last
Guruji.
class we asked Veerajaji
Yeah, yeah.
why we say anabhyasta, abhyasta. Then what are abhyasta? Third conjugation. So
Third and
first example is for the third conjugation. That
Mhm.
is the pratipadikam. Okay, this is Srilinga. Srilinga not required. Let us see Pullinga and then we'll come back. Let us see Pullinga. You see, it is divided into two categories as Abhyasta and Abhyasta, right? First, you see Abhyasta. Abhyasta Sanya for the third conjugation and 7 dhatus of the second conjugation. So this example for the third conjugation, where the anga is Abhyasta. Therefore, Shatru will not get num when Saranavasana Pratyaya follows. Therefore, there is no num. Dadat dadato dadataha. Dadatam dadato dadataha. Tartya vibhakti onwards, same as Maruti. Right? And the 7 dhatus of the second conjugation, Jagrat, Jakshat, Chakasat, Shasat, Daridrat, Didyat, Devyat. Form is given. They enjoy the Sanya Abhyasta. Therefore, no num. Therefore, Jagrat, Jagrato, Jagrataha. Jagratam, Jagrato, Jagrataha. Jakshat, Jakshataho, Jakshataha. No num. What about rest? If this is Abhyasta, no num, the rest would be Anabhyasta. It means it covers 1, 4, 6, 10, 1, 2. 2 also is given at the below. Okay.
1 to 4.
2 is given at the below. 1, 4, 6. Why it's given? Because there are Adantanga, that's why it's given together. 1, 4, 6, 10. And Chinvat is 5th Gana, Kurvat 8th Gana, Kreenat 9th Gana, Rundat 7th Gana, and second Gana is Sat. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Everything is given. Right? You understand the classification now?
Yes.
Yes. Now, we are doing Srilinga. Now come back to Srilinga. See, for Pullinga, what is the condition? Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya following the Shatru. And Shatru follows the Anabhyastanga. Then Num. Abhyastanga, no Num. For Srilinga, it is need to understand. We are not talking about Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya at all. Please note, the last class we discussed, when Num will come, Shatranta Srilinga Pratipadikam will take Num. That's it. Pratipadikam itself will take Num. How do you get a Srilinga Pratipadikam? First you have Pratipadikam, and the Pratipadikam must be converted into a Srilinga form by adding the Pratyaya. What Pratyaya? Gi Pratyaya. Given here, where? Or I will write here.
You have given the origin.
Here it is not there. Ni Pratyaya, where it is given. Okay. I will write one format here. Shatranta Srilinga. I will write how it is formed. Shatranta Srilinga. How it is construction of Srilinga Pratipadikam. How it is done? First, you need to have a Pullinga Pratipadikam. First, let us take the Dhatu, Pat Dhatu. Pat plus Shatru, right? Then you have Pat plus Shap. First conjugation, Shatru. Then we are doing Srilinga Pratipadikam. First, let us, therefore, for that basic Pratipadikam, you need to construct first is Pat plus A plus Shatru. Then Pata plus Shatru. So, Pata plus Shatru. We are constructing Srilinga Pratipadikam. Therefore, this being a Shatranta, Shatru is Ugit, right? For Ugit Anta, Pat plus Shatru itself is a Pratipadikam, right? Now we are forming a Srilinga Pratipadikam. Therefore, for Ugit Anta Pratipadikam, Ugit Anta, we need to add the Pratyaya, Srilinga Pratyaya, Neep. Here itself, we can add Pat plus Shatru plus Neep. You know, you can see a Pratipadikam, convert to another Pratipadikam, we are Srilinga Pratipadikam. Okay. So Pat plus Shatru plus, although it is only Neep. Understand? Content of Neep is E. Either you can write this way, or you can first derive the Shatranta Pratipadikam. After that, you can add ip. Anyway, you can do. I'm just writing like this. Now, Pat plus, no, num will come, yes. Pat plus content of Shatra is at plus E. This is what you need to understand. Pat plus at plus E. Pat plus at is patat. And that is decline in Pullinga, patan, patanto, patantaha. Now converted into Srilinga Pratyaya by adding E. Right? Now, what is E?
It's a
What is
pratyaya.
E? Srilinga Pratyaya, right?
Srilinga
Now,
pratyaya.
we have seen num coming. When? Condition is, for Pullinga we have seen,
Sarvanamasthana.
when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, num comes. Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows what? That's very important,
Chatranta.
right? Shatru. Should follow Shatru. That is, Shatru is immediately followed by Sarvanamasthana
Sarvanamasthana.
Pratyaya. But here Shatru is not followed by Sarvanamasthana. Followed by what?
E.
Followed by
Aja.
Srilinga. Followed by Srilinga Pratyaya. Okay, the Srilinga Pratyaya is the Karanam for bringing Numbakama. When this Srilinga Pratyaya, see this Pratyaya is E, right? It's called a special name for this Pratyaya, Srilinga Pratyaya. That also I tell you, you can just, it's called Nadi Sanya. They enjoy the Sanya, Nadi. Nadi means not river, okay? That is not the name. Nadi is a name given to the Ikaranta, not only, Nadi Sanya. Nadi is a,
Nadi Sanya.
Sorry?
We did it earlier also, Nadi Sanya.
Yes, we did it.
Yeah, Nadi Sanya. Therefore, Ikaranta as well as Ukaranta. Like Ikaranta Shabda, Nadi Shabda itself, Nadi, Gauri, Parvati, etc., Saraswati, Ukaranta, Vadu, Shwashru, the Ukaranta Shabda, they enjoy the Sanya Nadi. Okay. So when Nadi Sanya ka Pratyaya follow the Shatru, that Nadi Sanya will bring in Numbagama. Therefore, you will have it is pata, not pata, pata. Yeah. Pata plus at plus ant plus E. So now you have this is Pratipadikam, okay? Then pata plus ant is patant. You know how it comes. Karadu pasandi. Then you have patanti. So patanti is the
Pratipadikam. Srilinga Pratyaya.
this is an example. Format I will write. You understand? So this is how a Srilinga Pratikam. Now patanti, how do you decline? Patanti
Nadi
plus
Shabda.
Su. This is Su, right? So is a Pratyaya. I'm writing Pratama Bhekya Vachana Pratyaya. Patan, like Nadi plus Su becomes Nadi. Similarly, Patanti
Nadi.
plus Su, Patanti. So it will be like Nadi Shabda. The Patanti, the form would be Patantyau, Patantyaha. So Rupani, Ikaranta Shabdasya, Ikaranta Patanti Shabdasya, Rupam, Nadi Shabdavat Bhavati, right? Rupam, Nadi Shabdavat. So don't forget to have the Num. Num comes all the way. Shabdavat. Patanti, Patantyo, Patantyaha, Patantim, Patantyau, Patantihi, Nadi Shabdavat.
Patanti.
Don't say Patatihi. Okay, don't drop the Num. Because it's Num is a part of the Pratipadikam. You need to note. I'll write a note here also. Please note, Num is a part of the Pratipadikam. Here Num is a, here only, here I'm saying why, that's the reason. Other places we'll see. Here, please note that the Num is a part of the Pratipadikam. Therefore, when you decline, it will be, I've written already here, Patu plus Shatru. The same thing. Patanti, Patantyo, you can see the form. Patanti, patantyo, patantyaha, patantim, patantyo, patantihi, patantya. All the way num is there, no? All the forms,
Yes.
unlike Pulinga. Okay. So this is I'll write a format. The format will be like this. That is Dhatuhu plus Shatra plus Neep. Neep. This is the format. This brings in num here. Okay. This brings in num. But this is the format. What will bring num, what will not bring? This is general format. Because in some cases num will not come. That we are going to see. That is why that's what is filling the forms. This is for this is general. Dhatuhu plus Shatra plus Neep. Example, for the first conjugation I have given here. Patanti. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Patanti. I'll put this Shabda maybe. So it is repetition. I think it's okay. But it will be there. Ikarantaha Srilingaha Patanti Shabdaha. Dhimati maybe I can remove that. Later it is there. Dhimati just to show you that in another word qualifying this. And this word itself acts as a qualifier to the word Bala. Patanti Bala, Patantya, Patanti Balam, Patantya Balaya, Patantyaha Balayaha, and Patantyaha Balayaha, Patantyam Balayam, E Patanti, Bale. Similarly here also, Patantya Bale, Patantya Bale, Patanti Byam, Balabhyam, Patanti Byam, Balabhyam, Patanti Byam, Balabhyam, Patantyoho, Balayoho. You can see num. Now all the vibhakti and vachanam. Patantyo, Bale, E Bala, E Bale, E Bale, E Balaha. Similarly, Bhagavachanam, Patantyaha Balaha, Patantihi Balaha, Patantibihi Balabihi, Patantibhyaha Balabhyaha, Patantibhyaha Balabhyaha, Patantinam Balanam, Patantishu Balasu, Ramasu, same. Then Bhagavachanam, E Patantyaha Balaha. So this is to show you the, you can see the form. Ikara, Ikaranta, Patanti Shabdaha, Nadi Shabdavatu. The form is same. Only is you have a num occurring. Right?
Yep.
So now you can see how this Patanti is derived. This Patanti is Pat plus Shatra plus Srilinga Pratyaya. And this Patanti is Pat plus Shatra plus Srilinga Pratyaya Ni plus Su.
Yeah.
This is how. This is just okay. What causes a num to come? Not the Sranamasthana Pratyaya, but
E, the Srilinga
Pratyaya.
Pratyaya.
Srilinga Pratyaya. And also, later we will see, Srilinga Pratyaya will bring num provided, that's a condition, provided the Shatra
Shatra.
follows some
Alanta.
specific anga, not alanta anga. Here this part you take. Shatranta follows the Shatranta brings in Ganavikrana gets added to the Dhatu. Therefore, Pata plus At plus E, Srilinga Pratyaya following the Shatranta, and the Shatra will bring Numagama when the Shatranta follows. See the condition, the Shatranta follows the Adanta
Adanta.
Anga. That's the rule. In fact, we are going to see that later. I will add. Not now, but now just introduction. When the Shatranta follows the Adanta Anga, then the Srilinga Pratyaya following the Shatra will bring in Num, the Pratipadika itself, right?
Mhm.
What are the Adantangas?
1, 4, 6.
1, 4.
1, 4, 6, 10.
1, 4, 6, 10. Now, it is said 1, 4, 6, 10. But for sixth conjugation, there is a choice.
Optional.
Therefore, you will have two forms, two pratipadikam. With no, without. Already we saw in last class, right? Sixth
Devyante,
conjugation,
Devyate.
Adantanga only. Adantanga, sixth conjugation, there we have choice. Whereas first and fourth, no choice. Of course, 10th gana also must get num because it is shap only, like first conjugation. So 1, 4, 10, num is a must. The pratipadikam, num is a must. Strilinga pratipadikam, num is a must. For sixth conjugation,
It's optional.
optionally. Okay. Now you see, this is what they have done here. Now read the statement. Shatranta Strilinga pratipadikam will take num agama where the dhatu belongs to 1, 4, 10. Did I say this same thing, right? 1, 4, 6, 10. What about sixth conjugation? Chaturtha pratipadikam will take num optionally. Right? And what about the other? What about the other? 1, 4. What others are not adanta, anadanta, like other conjugation, right? There what will happen? Numagama will come or not?
No, it will not.
Shapshano nityam, the last class I told 4 sutras. Shapshano nityam, then here what will happen? Here no num agama. That is 1, 4, 6, 10 num agama already be told. Sixth conjugation optionally. For the second, fifth, 7, 8, 9, and dhatus of the, it means all the other thing other than 1, 4, 6, 10, right? And why I wrote like this? Because in this Sri Pullinga we have seen like that. That is why I have written like this. Second conjugation, fifth conjugation, seventh conjugation, eighth conjugation, ninth conjugation, and third conjugation, Jugatyadikana, and seven dhatus of the Adadikana. It means the entire second conjugation. Okay. It means all the dhatus excepting the dhatu belonging to 1, 4, 6, 10. They will not get Numagama. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, good. Could you do that? But this abhyasta will it happen or it will not happen?
Abhyasta?
Will it happen for 2, 5, 7, 8, 9? Or it will only happen only for that third gana and that 7 dhatus of second gana? Only for that?
Abhyasta happens only for third gana, not for any other gana. Only for third gana, something special.
Okay.
The duplication happens only for the third conjugation. The beginning itself I said it's only for the third conjugation. Where do you find duplication? In other conjugation do you find? No.
No. Okay.
Only for the third conjugation, that's a special thing. Duplication happens. When it is duplicated, Ranga enjoys his sanya abhyasta. Not for the other conjugation. Where are duplications for other conjugations? Right?
You said
Yes,
those 7 dhatus of.
They enjoy sanya abhyasta naturally. They don't go undergo duplication. Without undergoing duplication itself, they enjoy the sanya.
Okay.
Some people, without going to the college itself, become professor, like the young man now. No, one person is that. He's a professor. Boy of 16, boy of 14 or something, like that. The abhyasta, it enjoys sanya abhyasta without undergoing duplication.
Okay.
Exceptions. That's such a separate thing. That's 7 dhatus of the second conjugation. Only those 7 dhatus, not entire dhatus of the second conjugation. Understand? Okay. Example for Shatranta already we have seen. Patanti. So repetition, let it be there, no problem. Kad dhatu, what will be the Strilinga form, Pratipadikam of Kad dhatu? Kad dhatu belongs to Kadanti. Kad plus Shap plus Shatru plus Ni Prataya. Can add Ni here itself. So Ni Prataya follows the Shatru and Shatru follows the Adantanga, right? That's important. Then that will bring in Num. Maybe that point I have not written, I will write. Where to write? Here I will write. After second point, I will write. Yeah. That is Shatru following the Adantanga will get what? Num.
No.
Num when followed by
Strilinga pratyaya.
when followed by Strilinga pratyaya. Nadi pratyaya. I write Nadi. Is it okay? Or should I write Neep? Our case is Neep when followed by Neep pratyaya. That is Nadi Singika pratyaya. Shatru follows the Adantanga and Shatru is followed by Neep pratyaya. Therefore, Shatru will get Num. Three things are involved. One followed by the other follows the other. Right? And since 1, 4, 6, 10, since the dhatus of the dhatu, since the dhatus of the first conjugation of the first, fourth, sixth, one, four, sixth, and 10th conjugation, dhatus of the 10th conjugation no, I should not say dhatu. Since 1, 4, 6, 10 are Adantanga, I will change it. Adantanga, since I'll write Anga, otherwise Anga. Angas of the first, fourth, sixth conjugation are Adanta. Adanta, when do you say Adanta? With regard to the Pratyaya, you have to
Shatru
say. With
pratyaya.
regard to Shatru, exactly. With regard to Shatru. Therefore, Neep following the Shatru will bring in Num. Neep following the Shatru will bring in Num to Shatru. Neep following Shatru will bring in Num Agama. Understand?
Yes.
This is not a 3. This is just a combining. Then for the for 1, 4, and 10, for the first and fourth and sixth conjugation, Num is mandated. And for the sixth conjugation,
It is optional.
it is optional. Num is optional. With this background, you see the chart, you'll understand. This is summarizing the first and 2 points. Okay, first point is Chatranta following the 1 minute. That is
Adanta anga pratyaya.
summarizing the above points. Chatranta, Saptasrilinga Padipadikam will take Num when the dhatu belongs to 1, 4, 10. And for sixth conjugation, it is optional. Therefore, when you summarize this, Shatru following the Adantanga, there's more explanation on here, will get Num and followed by Gi Pratyaya. Since the Pratyayas and the Angas of the 1, 4, 6, 10, 10th conjugations or Adanta with regard to Shatru, therefore, Gi following Shatru will bring in Num Agama. For the 1, 4, 6, 10, Num is mandatory. For 6, it is optional. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
If it is so, then what about for the other conjugation? It is not Adantanga, therefore no Num at all.
No, no,
So that's why Adanta in the beginning itself, I said, no, it's important. We classify the Dhatu, beginning itself, we classified 1, 4, 6, 10. Right? Therefore, now third point you see. For the second, fifth, and ninth, and tenth, ninth Gana, Shatranta will not take Numaha. Why? Because
It is not Adanta.
since they are not Adanta, that's the reason. Okay. So I'll write the format here. Dhatuhu plus Shatra plus Neep. So here Num will come, mandatory. Right? That otherwise, okay, I will write like this. Okay, one more line. To start with this format, what will happen? Dhatuhu plus, in fact, Dhatuhu, Shatru follows Gana Vikarana also comes. So Gana Vikarana, better to write. What are the Gana Vikarana? I will write, since 1, 4, 6, 10 is a different Gana Vikarana, therefore I will write the Gana Vikarana. Dhatu plus Gana Vikarana plus Shatru plus Neep will be Dhatu plus Gana Vikarana. And here, Gana Vikarana, Dhatu plus Gana Vikarana will be Adantanga. Then Shatra, which whose content is At, therefore Ant plus E. This is the format. Yes. Okay. For the sixth conjugation, you have a choice where it would be.
Either Anta or At.
Yeah, sixth conjugation very specific. The Gana Vikarana is happens to be A only. Okay, so this is very specific. Here we have either this or
Atta plus E.
yes, or plus with no without no. So let me write like this. This is one possibility with noun. This is second one without noun. Right. Then what about this is what again summarized here, the same thing will follow. The third one is for other conjugation for non-adantas, no noun. Adantas are all covered for non-adanta, anadanta, for anadantanga. Negative of adanta is anadanta. For anadanta anga, that is the third point. That is dhatus of the other conjugation, no noun at all, right? So whatever we wrote in this, so many words, sentences, that's what is summarized in the chart. What's a chart? Now you see the chart, you will understand. Otherwise, beginning, if you see the chart, you will have many questions. What is Adhyasta, Anabhyasta, all those things, and why it is categorized like this? That now it will become easy. It's clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Now you see this Srilinga chart. Pullinga already we have done. Classification based on this Abhyasta, Anabhyasta. Now Srilinga would be same Abhyasta, Anabhyasta. In the Anabhyasta, you see 1, 4, 6, 10, mandatorily noun. This is a Pratipadikam from which we derive the Pratipadikam, Srilinga Pratipadikam, Gachanti, Divyanti, Chorayanti. Right? Num here is mandatory in the Pratipadikam, you can see. Whereas sister conjugation, choice. And Yat is that's special, separately given. Don't worry about that. It's much, as I said. Tudati, Atudanti. And what about other conjugation? Andadanta? No. This Nakara is a part of Shnu. So don't worry about that. That is not a Num. It's not Chinvati, Chinvati only. And Abhyasta, there are also no Num. So everything, this left hand and right, extreme right, both falls in the same category only. This one, as well as this here, no Num. Only Num is for this 1, 4, 6, 10 alone.
Mandatory and 6
And for 1, 4, 10 is must mandatory, 6 is optional.
And 6 is optional.
Right? With this background, now we will see examples, sentences of Sri Lanka Pratik. So, Kad Dhatu, Pratipadikam Kadanti. Div Dhatu, fourth conjugation.
Devyanti or Devyati?
Deviant. Deviant. No, only one.
Oh,
Fourth conjugation is a
Devyanti.
must.
Oh,
Devyanti.
Devyanti.
Shak Dhatu, fifth conjugation. Shaknuvanti.
Shaknuvati.
Shaknuvati, not Shaknuvanti. Yeah, Shaknuvati. No, num. Shak plus nu plus Shatra. Here itself we can write the pratyaya neat. So that will not bring in num here. Because it is fifth conjugation. Not here also, right? Neat. Give dhatu, fourth conjugation. Ka dhatu, first conjugation. This is Vadigana. And this is Divadi, fourth. Adantanga, therefore num. And Shak is Swadigana, fifth conjugation. No num. And Vish dhatu, Tudadi, therefore we have choice. There are two forms.
Vishanti, Vishati.
Yes. So this is one with the num, without num. Tirudhatu of the Tanadigana, eighth conjugation. No num. Kurvati. These pratikams are declined like Nadi Shabda. Okay. What we have seen. So Patadhatu is now all the conjugations are given. Taken one example from each gana. Patanti is a pradipadikam, therefore patanti, patantyo, patantyaha, patantim, patantyo, patata iti rupani. Second conjugation, example sati, sati, satyo, satyaha. Third conjugation, 1, 2, 3 and all no num, we know. So dadat, now here. Dadati, dadatyo, dadatyaha iti rupam, right? Then fourth gana, divyanti, divyanti, divyanto, divyantaha. Fifth gana, example, shaktatu, shaknuvati, shaknuvatyo, shaknuvatya. Sixth conjugation, two pradipadikams, tudati, adutanti. So therefore, tudati, tudatyo, tudatyaha or tudatim, tudatyo. Yeah, tudantya. Tudanti, tudantyo, tudantyaha. Seventh conjugation, no num. Therefore, rundati, once the pradipadikam is derived, like Nadi Shabda, rundati, rundatyo, rundatyaha. Similarly, kurvati, kurvatyo, kurvatyaha, eighth conjugation. Ninth conjugation, the first dhatu is kri dhatu. So kri plus shna pratyaya plus shatra plus e, krinati you will get. Pullinge krinan, krinan, krinanto, krinantaha. Here krinati, krinatyo, krinatyaha. Chur dhatu, first conjugation of the first dhatu of the 10th conjugation. Chorayati, chorayanti, num will come because this is like first conjugation. So chur, see here, if you see how it comes, chorayanti, just chur dhatu plus nich plus shap plus shatra plus e. How many, see how many pratyas are there? So the dhatu, we had so many pratyas to get. This is what shatra, chorayanti is. Chur plus nich will cause nijanta. I mean, not nijanta, by swarte nich pratyaya bhavati for the ganna dhatus. Then like treated like a first gana, therefore when sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows gana vikarana comes, then Srilinge ni pratyaya to be added. Now the anga will be ending with akara. Anga will be ending with akara with regard to shatra pratyaya. Therefore shatra will get num, chorayanti. Understand? This is important. What follows what, all the conditions is important. And second gana, 7 dhatus, they doesn't matter whether abhyasta or anabhyasta. There is no such condition here. For Sri Lanka, we don't have any such condition, abhyasta or anabhyasta. We are just retaining the classification, that's it. Only for Pullinga, the abhyasta anabhyasta classification is important. Please note. Anabhyasta will not get num for Sri Lanka. Abhyasta will get num. Sorry, Pullinga. Abhyasta will not, abhyasta will not get num, and anabhyasta will get num for Pullinga. The classification is only for Pullinga, not for Srilinga. Srilinga, the classification is purely based on the Anga ending with, the Anga is whether Adanta or non-Adanta. Adanta Anga will get no. And that too for sixth conjugation optional. Other conjugations are non-Adanta, Anadanta. Therefore, there is no. So here we don't have to classify Abhyasta, Anabhyasta, since already made, therefore written in the same format. The chart I'm talking about. So when you refer to the chart, you will see there Abhyasta, Anabhyasta is that classification is not required for Srilinga. Please note, because it is done the chart. Don't think that the classification is based on Abhyasta, Anabhyasta. No, it is just following the same format as that of the Pullinga. In Pullinga, since we require this classification, therefore we made a chart. The same thing continues here also. So it does. That's why I said the last column and the extreme column can be put under one category. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This column, which is Abhyasta, and this is Anabhyasta, these both can be put under one category. If you want to refine the chart, you can do it. But I'm just reading the same thing. This chart, in fact, I didn't prepare. It is prepared by one of my batchmates, Swami. So just I'm using this for our class. Okay. These notes I prepared. Now let us see some sentences. I think will come. We'll read few sentences and see my example later. So Balika Patati. Balika Likanti. Okay, what is this? I think this is not ours for this. Oh, that is should Srilinga examples are not there. Yeah, examples are there. Why it is not there? Not here, but I will show you examples. Just we'll read few examples and then we can stop. I'll show you. This is from the Saṃskṛta Bharati, not the Bharati, Rashtriya Saṃskṛta Saṃstān book. This up to Pullinga already we have seen. Remember, Pullinga, first we saw Pullinga. We have read all these things. This is from the Rashtriya Saṃskṛta Saṃstān. We have read this, remember?
No, we didn't.
We did actually. We checked. We have completed Pullinga. Srilinga only I stopped here. Because Srilinga we will see and then we will read. In fact, we read this. After that, we were reading from my file, all sentences. This we have done. Check your note recording. Now Srilinga. Examples you see. Ado likitani vakyani patata. Please read a few. Read Jyoti.
Nati Gayanti Nrityati. So
So-
Gayanti Nati Nrityati.
Yes, Gayanti qualifies.
Nati. Nrityati is the Kriya Padam.
Yeah, Padam. Similarly, read.
Balika Khadanti Kridati. Khadanti
Yeah.
Balika Kridati.
So two actions are done. So while playing, while eating, she plays. Right?
Nice.
Then continue.
Radha Hasanti Malam Rachayati.
Hmm. While laughing,
Radha-
it
She
does.
makes a garland.
She makes a garland. Yes.
Mahila Geetam Shrunvanti Pachati.
Hmm.
Listens to song and cooks.
Yes.
Listening Mahila. I mean, while listening, she cooks.
That's the correct translation. Geetam Shunvanti Magila Pachat. While listening to the song, he cooks. So Geetam is the karma for
Karma for
the Shuddha, Shunvanti. Similarly,
Parvati Japanti Shivam Archati.
Shivam Japanti Parvati or Japanti Parvati. Sorry,
Japanti
Archati
Parvati Shivam Archati.
Shivam Archati. So Shivam, you can take the karma for Archana Kriya.
Archana Kriya.
Hmm.
Indira Vadanti Janan Bodhayati. So Vadanti Indira Bodhayati.
Janan Bodhayati. So Janan is the karma for Bodhana.
Karma for
So Similarly, here we will see. We will read this in the next class. Sri Lanka. Pullinga we have read. Sri Lanka we are reading, and after reading Sri Lanka, we will stop before before Napumsakalinga. Then Napumsakalinga we discuss, and then we will read Napumsakalinga, and after that, Saṃskṛtam Bharati book also is there. That also we will read. The next one will be Napumsakalinga. That we will see later after Sri Lanka, right? Examples for Sri Lanka not given here. In fact, some examples we covered before, and I removed. In fact, it's okay. We have this exercise sheet. We'll see that. Okay. I think examples are given here. They are more or below. Translations. We'll do it. Okay. Sri Lanka, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
I'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad Guruji.
Dhanyawada Guruji.